Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Talk About Hakka here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim Zepsiu. And how about a nursery rhyme again from Leo?
童谣。
对。
好，今天要介绍这首童谣呢，是一首很辛苦的童谣。
很辛苦啊？你念的会很辛苦是不是？
也不是，
辛苦你了。
是这里面讲的这个人很辛苦。
哦，这个人很辛苦。Who is it？ 到底是谁呢？
就是阿梅。
哦，妈妈。
对，你跟我都有的妈妈。
That's right， 阿梅 ，That's mother。All right， 那来念一下这个童谣。
好。阿妹真辛苦，從來唔嫌苦，三夫兩體寄來補，三餐都係寄來煮，太些事情咩係寄來照顧，阿妹最辛苦
啊，真的很辛苦。那前面有讲什么？妈妈真辛苦，然后呢？
从来不叫苦。
Oh, that's true. As a mom, even though they have to dedicate themselves to their family, their children a lot, they never complain. 就从来不喊苦。怎么说？
從來唔嫌苦。
從來唔嫌苦。Okay, that means never complain about it. 第二句又说是什么呢？
第二句其实它跟后面都是连贯的，就三夫兩體寄來補，三餐都會寄來煮。太些事情就会给了照顾，就是衣服破掉啊，妈妈要补啊，三餐妈妈都要煮啊，
对，
什么事情都要靠妈妈。你看妈妈多辛苦啊。
That's very nice. Again, the next two lines is describing a mother would take care of everything in the house, whether it be cooking your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner. If your clothes are torn, she needs to repair it. Anything that happens in the house, she's going to take care of it without a complaint. And that's how hardworking and dedicated our moms are, okay? 然后最后一句 again 就是妈妈你最辛苦。
对，阿妹最辛苦。
最辛苦。
对，这里面我们讲到阿妹嘛。
是啊。
可是其实现在一般客家人可能比较不会再讲阿妹啦，反倒是有一句话我们比较会常这样讲。
哦，是吗？
阿妹ой
阿妹ой
就是
什么？
就是我的妈。
That's right. Oh my mother or oh my God. Okay, 在英文会这样说。
对。
All right. So the way to call your mother traditionally is 阿妹 okay? But nowadays people just say 妈妈。对 just like mama.
年轻人都会这样讲。
Yeah, even in Chinese 中文也是这样子嘛。Instead, when you refer to the term 阿妹, sometimes it's used in oh my God or oh my mother. 阿妹ой So there you go. It's Talk About Hakka again here on ICRT.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.